Yes, ma'am.
And there are cars in the driveway.
Yes,
So just looking at the house, there's an indication that somebody's actually home.
that's correct.
And there are dogs out in the front yard?
Yes,
Okay, and I believe you testified that your kids were out there playing?
yes.
Oh, where was your wife at the time?
She was in the house with me.
I would like to see on the one of the adults, please. There's a Christmas time precaution.
All right, so you can see the kids are playing in the back, and Mr. Horner still has his seatbelt fastened, does he not?
Yes,
He rolls down his window and he asks to speak to one of the adults, correct?
yes,
And tells you that, or says that it's a Christmas time precaution, right?
yes.
Oh, okay.
All right, so he stayed in the van until it appears that he had received some indication that it was okay to get out of the van, right?
What it looks like, yes.
Okay, I was just making sure, kind of.
Now, Mr. Huffman, I'm going to stop for a moment. Can I approach the screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Huffman, I have one question. Who is this in the white right here in the background? I assume this is your daughter right here.
That's one of my, that's my youngest daughter in the Ford, closer
And
one.
in the background, is that your wife?
To be honest, I can't tell from here.
You need to walk around and look at it.
I may have to.
You know what, I'll play it and I'll give us to a better spot. And the person in the background goes into the house.
Okay, that is my wife there,
So
in front of the door.
Okay, so when Mr. Horner arrived, your wife was outside as well.
Yes, we both came out.
When he got out of the truck, he told your wife or told people that were outside that, you know, it was a Christmas time precaution because he had accidentally spoiled a kid's Christmas the other day. Is that what he had said?
I believe that's the gist of it, yeah.
And all the time that he's sitting in the truck, your wife is still outside with the kids, right?
Yes.
Okay. So your wife goes into the house. And is that you that immediately came out of the house?
That is me.
Okay. Mr. Huffman, during this time that Mr. Horner is getting the package out and delivering it to the front, you didn't have any concerns for your safety, did you?
No,
You didn't have any concerns for the safety of your wife?
not at that.
Didn't have any concerns for the safety of your children?
No.
In fact, Mr. Horner was behaving like your typical delivery driver, correct?
Well, I would say a little better than the prior one.
A little better than the prior delivery
Yes.
driver. But he was polite,
Yes,
and he was courteous, and he engaged in small talk with you and your family,
right.
but nothing that would give you pause.
No, ma'am.
Nothing that would make you get on your dispatcher and call the sheriff,
No,
and nothing that would make you call dispatch.
no.
All right, so. And Mr. Warner had just stated that 115 stops today. Did you hear that?
I didn't catch it, I'm sorry.
Okay, so Mr. Warner did say that there were 115 stops that day, not too bad. And during this time period, you can see yourself walking back out of the house,
Yes, ma'am.
and you're walking towards the back of the truck,
Correct?
and Mr. Warner's putting on a seatbelt.
Yes.
Oh, man. Yes, Ellen. Merry Christmas.
Mr. Huffman, the only other question I had about the package was the package clearly marked what the contents were?
I want to say it was, but I don't recall. It's been too long.
Okay. If it had been clearly marked and somebody just delivered it, you would agree with me that there was the possibility that if it had been a surprise, that surprise could have been spoiled?
If it had been, I think so, yes, but it wasn't.
Your Honor, has a witness.
Redirect.
Within 24 hours of that video, the clean has been kidnapped and murdered, correct?
Yes, sir.
Let me ask you, Ms. Anderson asked you if you felt the need to call the police or dispatch, and he was there 24 hours before. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Now, knowing what you know now, that 24 hours later, he kidnapped and murdered a child the same age as yours, would you still have that feeling with him being on your property at this time?
Well, no.
And what would you do in response?
Objection, Your Honor, that calls for speculation.
Sustained.
Nothing further on.
Redirect. Ms. Anderson.
Yes, but at the time, you didn't fear for your safety.
At the time, I did not.
You did not fear for the safety of your girls.
No,
You did not fear for the safety of anybody in your household.
no.
Nothing further.
Mr. Stank.
Nothing wrong, thank you.
May this witness be used subject to any potential recall?
No objections.
Okay. Thank you very much. All right, I hate to do this, but we've been working, so we